Hi everyone, this is Greg Mersko again from the RPAC Art Center and Academy and Gallery. I am here just to let you know about a new workshop we have coming up. It is painting in Photoshop, and in this workshop you will learn, first of all, to find reference of what you want to paint. In this case, I wanted to paint this lovely pear full of a whole bunch of just hints of where shadows are and where I can paint them in Photoshop. And you'll learn all about painting in and sketching an outline. You will learn about how to start painting in your pear, and you will learn all about the photo mixing tool or painting mixing tool. And you will learn all about putting in highlights and creating a color palette and blending your colors. You also learn how to put in a background and using filters to get it as close as I possibly can to the original. Again, I don't want to trace this. I just want to make it artistic and just sort of show what I can do with Photoshop as an artist. If you do use a Wacom tablet and a pen, go ahead and do so during this workshop. I, again, am old school and I like to use the mouse. And of course, you put in a shadow. You will learn all this, and this is my creation. You'll get a whole workshop on this. But again, it's my artistic rendering of this pear over here, as close as I can get. Honestly, and when you only have an hour to do this, you're going to get sort of this type of work. But if you do have more time, you will be able to create something really nice that you can consider a masterpiece that you can frame and put on your wall. So I hope you can join me for the Photoshop painting workshop. And again, go to rpac.com, and under the workshop section you will see a link how to get there and what you need to do. I hope to see you then, and we'll create a masterpiece together. Thank you.